Well, beautiful morning in Las Vegas to fly the drone, and beautiful sunshine, no wind, and I have the landing gear up because I'm testing the panorama mode. So now we're coming home, and I've got a very narrow landing area. Don't want to make it an amphibious drone, so I've got to avoid the pool, and that's where my attention is. I'm not looking at the landing gear. Not a good idea, and you will see why in a few seconds. The good news is that the drone escaped with a little minor scuffs, and that's about it. But don't advise that you do this again. Watch carefully, folks. Yeah, just about there. And the eagle has landed, or not. Beautiful, huh?